Listen and read.
So, how can I get to St. Martin's Island?
Well, you can go from Chittagong to Teknaf, and then from Teknaf to St. Martin's Island.
How far is Chittagong from Teknaf?
About 228 kilometers.
And how far is St. Martin's Island from Teknaf?
It is about 26 nautical miles. A nautical mile is a unit for measuring distance at sea. By sea truck, it's about 2.5 hours journey from Teknaf to St. Martin's Island.
Listen and read. Where does Andy wants to go? How far is Chittagong to Teknaf? What is a nautical mile? How long does it take to travel from Teknaf to St. Martin's Island?